Hello students, welcome to our constructive education channel. So today we are going to discuss about the formation of salt and also the family of salt. How you can identify the family of salt. Okay, so which is belongs into. Okay, so these are the things we are going to learn today. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also, so then only you will get a notification. Yeah, so here we are going to introduce the salt, how we can prepare the salt from the acid base reaction. So the first thing is in the salt in chemistry, so substance which is produced by the reaction of acid with the base. Okay, so what are the first things you have to keep in your mind when preparing a salt? Okay, the first thing is, okay, substance means this is a salt. Okay, substance which is produced by the acid and base. Okay, so acid means you can take, you know that the strong acid which is HCl. Okay, already you know that HCl is react with NaOH. Okay, it form the salt of NaCl. How? Because, okay, the second thing you have to keep in your mind, the formation of salt NaCl. You know that formation will be NaCl here. This is a salt formula, correct? So but no, here this is plus and here this is the minus sign, correct? Yes, so these are the things, no? So the plus sign of Na, the plus sign of Na is always come from the base only. Okay, and this Cl, okay, is always come from the acid only. Okay, so this is the main thing. So how you can define it? The salt consists of positive ion. Positive ion means Na plus and negative ion means Cl minus. That means this is a cation, this is the anion. Correct? No? Correct? So this cation, that means positive ion consisting of in the salt always come from the base. Come from the base. Base means what here? This is NaOH, no? Yes, NaOH. Absolutely, yes. This Na is come from the basic only. Yes. And let's check with the acid. This Cl minus come from the acid only. Okay, so acid. That means HCl. So this Cl minus is come from the acid only. Yes. So this is the way the salt has formed. Okay, so these are the two things. What is that? Yes, the substance which is produced by the reaction of acid with the base. Okay, always the salt will form with the acid and base. This is the first point. The second point is the salt consists of a positive ion which is come from the base, okay, and the negative ion, that means Cl minus, is come from the acid only. So this is called the second point. Okay, so this is the way you have to explain what does mean by salt. Clear? Yes. Okay, so next thing is we are going to discuss about the family of salt. We know how it is formed. Yes, the family of salt. Okay, from that we are going to discuss the family of salt. We know the salt, how it is formed, correct? Yes. Now check with the family of salt. Family of salt. Okay, family of salt means which is similar to the particular salt, that is called family. Yes, of course. So generally if you consider in your family there will be a one unique character will be same with your brother, with your sister, with your father, with your mother, right? So if family means some similar character or similar concept will be there in the particular family, within the family. That's what family, correct? So here we are going to check the common thing in the family of salt. What does a family means? What it is stands? What is the meaning of intermeaning in that? That is salt having a common acidic or basic radical. That is a simple definition. So what is that? Family of salt mean salt having a common acidic otherwise or basic, acidic or basic radicals, acidic or basic radicals, or okay, belongs to the same family. This is what family of salt. How we can define salt having a common salt having a common acidic or basic radical. Acidic radical, that means basic radical, belongs to the particular salt, that is called family of salt. Okay, so what is a common acidic and basic radical? Okay, let's give an example, that is NaCl I have taken here, and CaCl2 also. You can see this is come from HCl and NaOH. Okay, so that only it's forming NaCl here. HCl is react with NaOH and it gives a product of NaCl of salt. Okay, this is acid, this is base. So it gives a product of salt here. Here, okay, CaCO3, it's react with the acid. This is a base, this is acid. It's react with HCl and to give a product of CaCl2 of salt. Okay, so this also salt, this also salt. Correct, am I right? But you cannot compare the salt with the acid. We are only comparing the salt only. We are only comparing the salt only. Okay, yes. So this is the thing we have to, the main thing is we are only looking into the salt, how the salt is belongs to. Okay, that's it. So here, so NaCl I have taken here, CaCl2 is there. Okay, here if you see, okay, there is a common radical. This is Na plus, this is Ca plus, this is a cation, this is a positive radical, this is negative radical. So if you see the only the positive radical, Na plus is there, Ca plus is there. No, it is not the same. Okay, let's check with the Cl, that means negative radical, that means basic radical. Okay, if you see here Cl is there, here also Cl is there, this is same, no? Here this is same, no? Correct? So Cl, that means what is that? The radical is, common radical is between these two salt, that is Cl is common here. So this two salt are chloride family. We can identify these are chloride families. Okay, these are chloride family, belongs to the chloride family. Let's check with the one more two example in your book. Okay, there is activity, that is you have to write the chemical formula for the given salt, that is potassium sulfate. How you can write the potassium sulfate? K2SO4, right? Potassium sulfate you can write K2SO4, and sodium sulfate you can write Na2SO4. Okay, and the calcium sulfate you can write, that is CaSO4. Okay, and the next thing is NaNO3, that means sodium nitrate. Okay, and the sodium carbonate. Okay, then ammonium chloride. Okay, so these are the things, and sodium chloride. Okay, magnesium sulfate. Okay, magnesium sulfate. Okay, so these are the things. Fine, magnesium sulfate, right? So if you see this, no, listen here, if you see this, I have wrote all the chemical formula. Okay, so if you see here, the first line, what and all is there? Potassium sulfate is there, ammonium chloride is there, sodium nitrate is there, and sodium carbonate also. Okay, so if you see the first line, the first period, okay, so what and all is there? Only, okay, these are multiple salt is there, but is I don't find any common radical. Okay, whether it is acidic, whether it is a basic radical, I don't find anything. Can you find anything common here? K2SO4, NaSO4Cl, and NaNO3 and Na2CO2. No, nothing. There is no any common radical. But you just see only this column. Only this column. Okay, if you see, can you find any common radical? Yes, of course you find this common radical, that is here also SO4, this is also SO4, and this is also. That means what? Potassium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Okay, now we can conclude the conclusion, that is these are the salts or sulfate family. What is that? These are the salt or sulfate family. Now see here, so this is also salt, NH4Cl and NaCl, this is also salt. But no, this is different, this is different. But there is a common radical, Cl is there, so that you can say this is a chloride family. Yes, right. So here if you see, this is Na2CO, that means sodium carbonate and calcium carbonate. This is not actually the same here, but here the carbonate group, no, it is same here, so that this is called carbonate family. Okay, got it everybody? What we have done here, we are not comparing the acid with the salt. We are not comparing the acid with the salt. This is salt. Okay, this is not a salt, this is acid. We are only comparing the salt. We are only comparing these two salt. Okay, we are not comparing any other acid with the salt. Okay, so if we consider the salt, okay, in that family we can find that there is some common radical, whether it is a basic radical, whether it is a acidic radical, you can find it. Here this is acidic radical, this is acidic radical, this is acidic radical, right? Yes, so this is the way. Okay, there will be a acidic radical. Okay, maybe the common radical will be there. Okay, acidic radical will be common, otherwise basic radical will be common in the salt. Okay, so that you can come to the conclusion, this is into chloride family, this is into sulfate family, this is into carbonate family. Okay, so this is the way we have to find out otherwise identify the family of salt, okay, in the given example. Okay, got it all of you? Yes, I think you have understood how we can define the salt, what are the things you have to keep in your memory to prepare the salt, and also family of salt, how we can identify it with the formulas of chemical equation. Yes, right. Okay students, I think you have understood. Let's see in the next video. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. Yeah? Yes. Thank you.